Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the HYTE Y70 Touch, a case that's not just about housing your components. It's about making a statement. This is the Panda White version, and right off the bat, the aesthetics are striking. The dual-chamber design is modern and clean, offering a fantastic way to showcase your build while keeping cable management a breeze. The Y70 Touch is an ATX mid-tower, so it strikes a good balance between size and compatibility. It supports ATX motherboards, making it suitable for a wide range of builds, whether you're aiming for a high-end gaming rig or a powerful workstation. But the real showstopper here is the integrated 2.5K LCD touchscreen. It's not just a gimmick. It's a fully functional display that can be customized to show system stats, display custom images, or even run applications. The touch functionality is responsive, making it easy to interact with whatever you choose to display. The Panda White color scheme is executed beautifully. The contrast between the white panels and the black accents gives it a premium look that will stand out on any desk. The build quality feels solid, with sturdy materials used throughout. The dual-chamber design separates the motherboard and graphics card from the power supply and storage, which helps with airflow and keeps the main components cool. There's plenty of room for cable management in the rear chamber, making it easy to achieve a clean and organized build. The HYTE Y70 Touch isn't just a pretty face. It's a well-thought-out case that offers a great building experience and excellent functionality. The integrated touchscreen is a game-changer, adding a level of customization and interactivity that you won't find in most other cases. If you're looking for a case that combines aesthetics, functionality, and innovation, the HYTE Y70 Touch is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.